Welcome students, let us learn least common multiple in real life. Gautam wants to distribute donuts and muffins to orphans on his birthday. He visits a bakery. The bakery has packs of donuts and muffins. A pack of donuts contains 6 pieces and a packet of muffins contains 8 pieces. What is the least number of packs of each he needs to buy to have the same number of pieces of both donuts and muffins? Here we know that number of pieces in a pack of donuts equals to 6 and number of pieces in a packet of muffins equals to 8. To have the same number of pieces of both donuts and muffins, we have to find LCM. So let us find out LCM of 6 and 8 by common division method. We know that 2 is the prime factor, common prime factor of 6 and 8. So we will divide by 2 and we will get 3 and 4. And there is no common prime factor of 3 and 4. So we will stop here, and that's why the LCM equals to 2 multiply 3 multiply 4, that is 24. It means 24 is the least common multiple. Total 24 donuts and muffins should be there. So how many packets of donuts? To make 24, just divide in 24 by 6. You will get 4. It means 4 packets of donuts, and 24 divided by 8, it means 3 packets of muffins. It is a pictorial representation of that particular question, that there will be 4 packets of donuts, because you know that in one pack there will be 6 donuts, so in 4 packs there will be minimum 24 donuts. And here in one pack there will be 8 muffins, so total 3 packs of muffins will be needed. Now that person can distribute to each and every child one muffin and one donut. Next question is, Akshay wants to be an athlete, so he works very hard. He swims every 6th day, he runs every 2nd day and does cardio every 8th day. If he did all the activities together, after how many days will he do all these activities again on the same day? So in this question also, because Akshay swims every 6th day, runs every 2nd day and does cardio every 8th day, if he did all the activities today, then to find when he will do all these activities again, we have to find LCM of 6 to 8. So let us find LCM of 6 to 8. We know that common prime factor is 2. We will divide by 2 and we will get 3, 1, 4. Now we will stop here because no common prime factor is there, and we will find out LCM. So here LCM equals to 2 multiply 3 multiply 4, that is 24. So it means we can say Akshay will do all these activities again after 24 days.
So in mathematics, what you need to do? Yes, practice, because practice makes perfect. So do practice.